Peas! Peas! Where are the carrots? Oop, you dropped one. What is Mommy making? Your sweet potatoes?
She doesn't know yet. Because I wanted her to eat her peas first.
Oh, it's a secret. So you can eat your peas. It's an awfully big spoon, kiddo. It's yellow like your shirt. You're a goofball. Just like your dad. You gonna eat your peas? No, I'm just gonna hang out.
Alright, you ready to eat?
Jalen!
There you go. Do you want some help? Want Mom to put them on the spoon for you? Let's see if we can handle this. Here we go. There you go. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Yay!
Alright.
Yay!
Peas are tricky, aren't they?
Superstar!
Do it good? Okay. There we go. You can do it.
Yay! Almost.
We got one in there.
One in there. One fell. Alright. Say bye-bye. Bye.